Hey, good morning guys, and this is Coding with Goutham. As we learn in our other videos, we learn a lot about JavaScript. So today, let's learn more about JavaScript. So guys, today I cannot show my face to you because of some corruptions in my computer. I'll fix that and you'll be able to see me again. So now let's begin. So now let's go to our trusted advisor Google Chrome, and now let's open Code Combat. Then let's continue playing and let's begin today's lesson. So now, guys, let's stop the music. Now, guys, now we're gonna start with usual day passing through. And your challenge today will be wild horses. So, let's begin. So now our goals: defeat the ogres, collect 3 coins under 8 statements. So now, guys, let's see our goals. Defeat the ogres, collect 3 coins under 8 statements. So guys, this is our today's goal. And now let's look at this. While true, and this is our code. So now let's see what we understand. In a while loop, you find the nearest enemy. If there's an enemy and the enemy is a munchkin, hero attacks it. Item is hero find nearest item. If there's an item and the item is actually a coin, so it's not poison, hero moves to it. And guys, that's our understanding, and now let's check what we used. We used variables, while loops, ifs, booleans, types, and attacking. And moving. So now we look at the code. It went majestically. He didn't attack the brawlers because they're sleepwalking and we don't want to die. And next time we killed all the munchkins and we didn't go for poison mushrooms. First level on for us. Now let's go with passing through. Now let us just begin. Do not insult the peaceful ogres. Take the gems. Do not take the mushrooms. Move to the X. So those are our goals. Now let's look at what we understand. In a while loop, he finds the nearest item. If there's an item, and if there's an item in that, if the item is not a gem, so if the item is a mushroom, he follows the pet guy. Else, he moves and gets the gem. And next, and these guys are peons, not munchkins, so they don't want to attack us. So let's be peaceful and smooth with these guys. And next time we go straight, get them, go out. Yep, and now you see how we went up, down, slowly, and got out of there. Now, let's look at a little bit of wild horses, and let's begin. So our goal is bring back the wild horses. And next, and sorry guys, the level got a little bit of black screen. I'll try and get that screen back. Yep, and now we're back. And next, and see, we're there, and next, and our goal is to bring back all the wild horses. Let's see what we understand. In a while loop, we find the nearest friend. If there's a friend, x1 is the friend's pose. It's the friend's position, x position, minus 10. So it's his left side. x2 is his right side by 7 meters. If the x1, so if the x1 is like minus 7 is greater than 1, hero moves to the x1 pose and horse.pose.y. Else, if x2 is less than or equals to 79, hero moves to x2 hero.pose.y. So what do we understand? If x1 is greater than or equal to 1, he moves to the left side because it's minus 10. So we want to go to the left side. We want to be as near as the horse as we can so the horse can hear our calls. So it depends, left side or right side, and we use numbers for that and a little bit of Boolean logic. Variable distance equals hero distance to horse. So the distance to the hero and the horse is distance. If the distance to the horse is less or equal to 10, hero goes there and he moves to the x1 or x2 pose, and it says whoa, and he brings them to this x, and then he goes and finds the next horse by moving to horse.pose.x, horse.pose.y. Now let's see what we used. We used variables, we used if loops, else if loops, hero dot distance to, say, move xy, and a little bit of Boolean logic. Now we see what we accomplished. And now finally, let's go back to today's challenge, backwoods treasure. Let's click play. So our goal is to collect 100 gold in this. So now let's look. And this loaded. So now wait. This is your challenge. This is my code. So you have to move to the nearest coin if there is no green flag or black flag. If there's a black flag, he picks it up and cleaves. Else, if there's a green flag, he picks up the green flag. So that's my code. And I am happy and waiting to see yours. And I think 5 minutes have already passed. So guys, let's end today's session. This is Coding with Goutham signing off.